there's the man I'm looking for, Justin Labato. Good to see you, brother.
How are you, sir?
Good,
Welcome
man.
to the new facility.
Yeah, this is great, man. The first time here. The office looks good. I mean, this is the first entryway. I know we need some stuff still hung up on the walls, but I'm liking what I'm seeing so far.
Yeah, no, we've got a big footprint to fill, right?
Yeah.
So with that and the move, it's really allowing us to really find that groove of things. And between this retail front here that you see, and then going to the show car garage, there's been a lot of good and positive changes for the whole facility.
All right, how about you take me around?
Let's go take a look at it.
All right. That's my buddy Ivan. You know, he's ridden 3 world championships with me. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he rides right on the front of my race car. It's my evil twin. A little fist bump for my brother.
He is the man.
He is the man.
I got the bobblehead myself.
I do too. So this is the infamous Autogeek show car garage. It looks bigger and better than ever. And you spend a lot of time here. When you're not teaching classes at your own detailing place, you're teaching classes here and teaching everybody at home the latest and greatest in the detailing world.
Yeah, it's crazy being able to juggle all the tasks, but it's well worth it because they have a real good setup. And with having everything in-house with all the brands, there's no limitations.
You know, that's one of the things a lot of people don't realize is not only are there brands here, they're true to Autogeek, but they represent every brand. Absolutely. It seems like it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And we've got the shelves back there to prove it.
The warehouse, that's on a whole nother level this time around. Much taller, much wider, and a lot more space to fill up for all those brands.
All right, why don't we say check them out?
Yeah, let's go check it out. So we're in the warehouse, obviously. 40-foot high ceilings and very, very large fans.
Yes, they are.
It helps move air in here, right? But as you can see, there's a lot of space and a lot of shelving units for every product that Autogeek has to offer.
And every one of these shelving units is literally packed from floor to ceiling. It's amazing how much stuff goes through this facility. I mean, I know there's FedEx stocks in the back that come out, you know, basically round the clock.
Yeah.
Taking product to and from here. Let's check out, see what's happening back here.
Yeah, so the really neat thing is the organization, right? Is that, you know, with this type of warehouse and so many different products, you've got to be super organized. And that's one thing that Autogeek has always had dialed in, is because of having things from this big all the way up to very large, you know, utility carts, they have to make sure that they're organized to the T.
Right. You know, and the thing is too, it's the people really that keep this place running. You know, I remember when I started involved with Autogeek 10 years ago, it's the people that were able to are pulling orders, packaging them up, making sure they get out. It's not just a name and a website where stuff pops out of the air from the cloud and delivers to your door. It's the people that make it happen. And everybody here at Autogeek firmly believes in what we're doing here. It's a great product line, getting a product quick, and people at home are being educated on those products that they're receiving. And that's why product keeps coming in and out of the doors from here.
Well, it's brand culture, right? Everybody has the same vision. That way they can all deliver at a premium level, just like the products they deliver. It's loading docks back there.
It's like watching the elves at Christmas.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I mean, these people are just working hard every day, filling orders, getting some people's Christmas presents out on a daily basis.
Yeah, and they do it in a timely fashion. The thing about being in Florida, if you're a customer in Florida, this stuff comes like next day.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So Justin, man, thanks for taking me around and giving me a quick whip around of the new Autogeek facility. It is so great to see up close and personal really what goes on behind that cloud in the sky where people are ordering stuff from. You know, to see if there's real people handling their stuff, handling it with a care, people who want to give them the products they need, and there's an actual physical location that houses just a world's amount of car care products. I mean, it's pretty cool.
No, it's super magical because it allows people to see how effective and efficient they are at being able to handle hundreds of brands under one roof and to be able to successfully get it out with TLC, like we mentioned inside. And they really do truly take care of that packaging area like no other. And for that reason, it just makes the whole process streamlined and super effective.
You know, the key too is people like you who are educating the consumers at home, because a lot of times a guy like me, an average Joe, walks into the site, I should say, and you look at products and you don't know how or what exactly you need. So it's nice you can go to the forums, you can go to the videos, educate yourself, and make a decision that's based to fit you. You're not left in the cold trying to figure it out on your own like on some other huge mass distributors website.
The biggest thing is we lead by example and we lead by education. And we have all the major manufacturers and brands to help us do that collectively.